Hey there, folks. Scottsdale Travel Chick sidekick here to tell you about our underground tour in Antwerp, Belgium, called De Ruien. What is it? Well, it's basically a tour of the original canal and sewer system of medieval Antwerp. Many people have seen the beautiful things Antwerp has to offer above ground, but how many people have seen what it has to offer underground? That's this tour, De Ruien. The secrets below the city. It may not sound sexy, but you get a lot of history from these type of tours. The buried tunnels and canals below Antwerp offer a rich history of its early development. Sewers, streams, and fortifications have crisscrossed Antwerp since the Middle Ages. Over time, these channels and sewer canals were covered over and largely lost to time. But a tour of De Ruien, with its underground canals, hidden bridges, and sewers, opens up some of the history of the historic city above you, with interesting facts and stories to be learned. De Ruien offers 3 types of tours: private guided tours, which require a group booking, a short 15-minute boat ride, which is currently closed due to COVID, and their standard 90-minute tour, which is a mix of guided and self-guided tour, where a guide takes you along, but you also receive presentations which you watch on a tablet at each stop. The tour runs 3 times a day at 11 a.m., 1 p.m., and 3 p.m. The cost is €18 an adult and €12 for children, and the tours are small group tours limited to a maximum of 15 people. All right, where are we going this morning?
Good morning. So we are headed to an underground tour just up here, and we're gonna check, I guess, underground.
What's underground here?
Sewer lines.
Well, is that it?
That's all I know right now. And we're gonna go wear some fancy boots and go in here and do a tour, and we're gonna learn about the underground and how the canals played a very important part in Antwerp.
Okay, let's go. You'll start the tour at their office near the main square in Antwerp called Groot Market or Groot Square. You'll be fitted with waterproof boots and throwaway overalls to protect your clothing. Then you'll meet your guide, be given a tablet, which plays your personalized audio, and then you're off into the dark.
So you're going to go downstairs in the underground world of Antwerp, and that is actually the route that you will be taking. So we are here now at number 1, the circular. You will be going underground here, and you will be walking along the blue line until you reach number 8, the Keijstraat. That's about 1.5 kilometers further, and that's also where you will come to the surface.
Okay, we're going in.
I can't hear you.
There are 9 stops overall along a walking tour of approximately 1.5 kilometers. At each stop, the guide will briefly explain some background, and then you'll watch a short video on your tablet with more information. Unfortunately, the audio is only in Dutch, but they do offer subtitles in both English and French. Once you're in the tunnels, the first stop will be Chocolatiers. I think I said that right. Here you'll see some markers of flooding levels from years past, as the tunnels were used both as sewers and flood control.
But since the end of 20th century, they put their sewage pipes. So now all the sewage water goes through the pipes, and here we have rainwater. It really rains a lot. The rainwater, all the rainwater comes here, and it can extend so high. So high, and one time I saw 2.5 meters or something like that. And this is the high tide of the river. It's called.
Under one of the churches, you'll learn about a secret entrance into the tunnels and how the priest used the tunnels in medieval times. Those naughty priests. At another stop, you'll get to learn about the ventilation shafts.
Under the Grote Mark now. And this is the ventilation shaft, one of 21 ventilation shafts, and and they were built in 19th century, in the middle of 19th century. So it is not visible from the street, only from the windows of the house.
And 17 buried bridges.
That are still under the ground, because Antwerpen before was like Amsterdam, full of channels, full of bridges, of course. But now all those bridges are under the ground and you cannot find them anymore.
At another stop, you'll learn about the floodgates used to clean out the tunnels that were operated from above at street level.
Until the middle of 20th century, it was quite a complicated system. 58 of those built, and they were used to clean the pipe with the water from the river. Played indoor all the summer, every day. Now it's already finished, but they still didn't take it out.
And this is a timeline of the Antwerp sewer from the 1100s through to today, but it's only in Dutch, so you'll need your translation app or you'll need to speak Dutch. All the way down to there. And at yet another stop, you'll learn how the tunnels were used during World War II. There's a lot more you'll see and learn during the tour as well, but I don't want to give everything away here, so I'll just show you a few more cool pictures. How you doing, Ben?
Kind of warm in here.
Humid.
Humid.
All right, we're gonna keep going.
All right.
As you make your way along the tunnels, in some places it will be pretty dry. But in other areas, you'll certainly be walking through some muck, up to your ankles and perhaps above. What is exactly in there? Well, I think the saying, "Don't ask, don't tell," is probably the most appropriate here. And just a heads up on the smells. They are interesting. You're not exploring a rose garden after all, but that's part of the fun, isn't it? As you come to the end of the tour, you'll clean off your boots and climb up some stairs and out onto a small courtyard with an outdoor cafe. That was a nice little surprise in the end. Overall, we enjoyed the tour. It was certainly unique and very different from the normal tours many people take around Antwerp. But if you have a sense of adventure and want to do something very few people know about or do, this tour might be for you. Well, there you have it, our overview of the Ruien tour in Antwerp, Belgium. We hope you enjoyed. Please let us know what you think in the comment section below, and please consider following us for more informative travel videos just like this one. Until next time, see you later.